Hello everyone, my name is Veena Murugappan and I'm Director for Organo Et School, an educational initiative by Organo Eco-Habitats. As eco-habitat designers, we knew that sustainability is a long-term goal and that it is intergenerational. So one of the things that we wanted to do was make sure that multiple generations understand what sustainability is, be it about safe food, energy demand reduction, water demand reduction, and educate and empower children, communities, and corporate companies, families, on how to adopt sustainable practices. And we do that through 3 sub-programs. One is called Organo at School, the other is Organo at Communities, and the third is Organo at Corporates. Organo at School, we partner with progressive schools that are focusing on sustainable education, and we become their partner in helping impart experiential learning about sustainability, how to grow your own food, how to reduce energy consumption within your home, how to manage water consumption. The second is Organo at Communities, which is another sub-program where we work with gated communities. We go and audit their current practices and see what the gaps are and help design a roadmap that will help convert their existing community into an eco-habitat. That might be suggestions on how to produce your own energy, how to transition from aesthetic landscaping to productive landscaping, and many aspects that will help communities move from a consumer mindset to a producer mindset. And the third, of course, is Organo at Corporates, which is a program designed to help corporate employees adopt more earth-friendly practices within their office environments, and also to see how their work styles can be maybe changed a little bit to be more earth-friendly. Now, these 3 programs have become our main drivers and motivations for imparting education on sustainability. We hope to continue to do that, and thankfully we've been getting some positive response from citizens of Hyderabad, and that gives us even more motivation to continue to do this.